2026 IMT Tractor 6780 is designated for farmers who want strong power, long working hours, and reliable performance in every season. This tractor comes with a heavy-duty engine that delivers high torque at low RPM, making it perfect for two agricultural work like deep ploughing, rotavator operations, heavy trolley pulling, and large field cultivation. The engine is fuel efficient, so even during long working days, diesel consumption remains controlled, which helps farmers reduce overall costs and increase profit. IMT 6780 is built with a solid body and strong chassis that gives excellent balance on uneven land. Whether the field is dry, muddy, or slightly hilly, this tractor stays stable and confident. The powerful transmission system provides smooth gear shifting, allowing the operator to change speed easily according to field requirements. This makes the tractor suitable for both slow-speed precision work and faster transportation tasks on rural roads. The hydraulic system of the 2026 IMT 6780 is advanced and very responsive. It can lift heavy implements easily and maintains consistent performance during continuous use. This is especially useful for farmers using modern farming equipment like seed drills, cultivators, disc harrows, and laser levelers. The hydraulic controls are smooth and simple, so even new operators can handle attachments without difficulty. Comfort is also an important part of the IMT 6780 design. The seating position is well balanced, giving the driver a clear view of the field and implements. The steering is light and responsive, reducing fatigue during long working hours. The clutch and brake system is designated for easy operation, which helps maintain control and safety in all conditions. Even after many hours in the field, the operator feels less tired, which improves productivity. This tractor is also suitable for transport work. With its strong pulling capacity, it can easily handle a loaded trolley for crops, construction material, or farm supplies. The braking system is reliable and works well even when the tractor is fully loaded. This makes it a good choice for farmers who need a multipurpose machine for both farming and transport. Maintenance of the 2026 IMT Tractor 6780 is simple and farmer-friendly. The engine and main components are easily accessible, making daily checks and servicing quick and easy. Spare parts are durable and designated for long life, reducing breakdowns and downtime during peak farming seasons. This reliability builds trust and confidence for farmers who depend on their tractor every day. Overall, the 2026 IMT Tractor 6780 is a powerful, durable, and efficient machine made for modern farming needs. It combines strong performance, fuel efficiency, operator comfort, and easy maintenance in a complete package. For farmers looking for a tractor that can handle heavy work, long hours, and multiple tasks with confidence, the IMT 6780 stands out as a dependable partner in the field.